To say education is important is an understatement. Education improves one's life. It's probably one of the most important tools which can change one's life. Education of a child begins at home. It's a lifelong process that ends with death. Education certainly determines the quality of an individual's life. Education improves one's knowledge, skill, and develops personality and attitude. With this quote, we, the students of class 7C, are going to present a digital assembly on the most integral topic, International Literacy Day. Thank you.
We are addicted to our thoughts. We cannot change anything if we cannot change our thinking. So always start each day with a positive thought and a grateful heart. For this, I would like to call Tushar for today's thought.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Tushar Gulati and I study in class 7C. The thought of the day is, once you learn to read, you will be forever free. I repeat my words. Once you learn to read, you will be forever free. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. So here I welcome Riti and Shagun to recite a poem related to the topic International Literacy Day.
Do you remember when you learn to read? Do you remember when you have a book of your own, or was it once that grandma owned? What were the tools which helped you to learn? Try to remember when, how and what. Tell me yours and I will tell you mine. Tell me yours and I will tell you mine.
Somewhere in my line of books came three billy goats gruff. My mother would read it to me, and my favorite part was when the trolls would boldly come out from under the bridge. Scared pants of the boys and the girls, but not our goat. After that part, reading would end. Sleep, play or do course would be next. Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead.
If your words inspires others to dream more, do more, learn more and become more, so never stop sharing your words with others. To inspire you with the words now, I would like to call Vidash and Yashika to deliver a speech on the topic International Literacy Day.
To all assembly present here. Today I, Vidash Malik, is here to deliver a speech on the topic International Literacy Day. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself with no boundaries or limitation. The only thing that can make you a diamond from coal is education. There is nothing as powerful as education. Every year, the World Literacy Day is celebrated on September 8. This year, UNESCO is celebrating the 51st anniversary of International Literacy Day. With the quote, "Reading the past, writing the future," International Literacy Day is one of the first days declared by the UN going as far back as 1965. This day seeks to focus public opinion on the major global problem of literacy. This is vitally important in least developed and developing countries where large percentages of the population do not even have basic reading and writing skills. Literacy is seen as a human right and a means of personal and social development. It means an essential contribution to a wide variety of goals like maintaining peace and promoting democracy, eradicating poverty, achieving gender equality, and ensuring sustainable development. Literacy is not only the way to get employment, however, it encourages to know human rights so that everyone can get what they deserve. Due to illiteracy, many people face humiliation every day. Moreover, they make their own life full of struggles. Hence, to make a better world and you make use of community resources for gaining information from local and school libraries, literacy is uttermost important. So let's pledge on this Literacy Day. We learn, we teach, we inspire to make our future full of knowledge and success.
आइए मेरे प्रिय दोस्तों, आज हम कुछ सुंदर पंक्तियों के द्वारा साक्षरता के महत्व को और गहराई से समझते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं। बहुत जरूरी होती शिक्षा, सारे अवगुण धोती शिक्षा, चाहे जितना पढ़ ले हम पर कभी न पूरी होती शिक्षा। शिक्षा पाकर ही बनते हैं नेता अफसर शिक्षक, वैज्ञानिक यंत्र व्यापारी या साधारण रक्षक। कर्तव्य का बोध कराती, अधिकारों का ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही मिल सकता है सर्वोपरि सम्मान। बुद्धिहीन को बुद्धि देती, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है भारत देश महान, भारत देश महान। Now I and some of my friends are going to present a sketch on the topic International Literacy Day in front of you. So let's start.
Hey Stuti, what happened? It seems that you are in a great dilemma. What happened?
Dear, it's been 2 months of lockdown and there are no signs of reopening our schools. Our education system is experiencing loss day by day.
You're right. In this havoc, we all are getting confined within the 4 walls of our houses. We aren't able to go to the school and there is no such sign of betterment.
Due to alarming situation of COVID-19, I am becoming depressed because I have not stepped to the schools from last few months.
Yes, you are right.
Hey guys, what's up? Why you both are in tension?
We are not having any contact with the schools and teachers due to coronavirus.
Oh, that's the problem. I have a great news.
Please tell fast.
Yesterday I got to know that the education minister have instructed the schools to take online classes for the students, as everyone have realized that the education is the backbone of the future. Nothing can be achieved if we are not educated. Whatever it is, the field of research, health, democracy, education or environment.
Yes, absolutely right.
My dear, time students spend to play PUBG can be devoted to online classes. This would be a better option.
Oh, now we understand that how much education and being literate is important for our day-to-day life. Without literacy, we just can't achieve anything.
It can be truly proven by the data that says in 1950, the literacy rate of India was 55% approx, and in 2008, it has reached to 75%.
So we all should take initiative to increase the literacy rate of our nation, so that very soon we reach to 100% complete literacy rate. Thank you.
Finally, we have reached the end of our assembly, and I would like to thank our school management for enabling us to showcase our talent. Thanks to all the viewers who are watching it patiently. Now, I would like to conclude our assembly by the words of our class teacher, Miss Meenal ma'am.
Greetings of the day to all. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Principal Ma'am and the school management for providing this golden opportunity to the students of class 7C for presenting the digital assembly on the theme International Literacy Day. I also want to appreciate the efforts made by the students. Being literate is as important as breathing, because literacy is the ability to read and write. In order to succeed in life, career, and to improve the quality of life, it is vital to have good literacy skills. Literacy is very crucial as it gives the path to an individual as to which path to select and to choose what is correct or incorrect. So, everyone, we should respect our education system and take an initiative to increase the literacy rate of our nation. Thank you.